welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be building this dollhouse. This dollhouse is going to look like this at the end. Right here, I don't know if you can see it good, but it's gonna look something like this. It's really pretty because it has a blue side and a pink side. It has a kitchen and a living room, and it's so cute. I can see these. I'm just confused what these are and these, but we're gonna find out. So now let's open it. So right here it says what it's gonna bring. So here's the first part, and guys, look at the back. It's so cute. Has like lights on it and stars for the blue. I don't know if you could see the stars, but they're so pretty. And then they bring a chair and a lamp. So this is this part, and it brings a bathtub. Here's some cupboards and a little TV. So these are the instructions. I'm gonna put these right here, and I'll get everything out. A5 and A. It says to find A5 and A5. Okay. This is A5, and this part is A5. So we need to find A9. And oh wait. And this is the floor. We got that part done. It's a little. I'm pretty sure that's not how it is. I found A10. So now, okay, we got that piece done. So this is A8. Goes right here. Oh, and then you stick A10. A4 goes like that because it's this piece goes up here, I'm guessing. Bring back all our decorations. So here is the bathtub, and if you look right here, I want something like that. So a bathroom, well, not a bathroom, a bedroom with a tub inside. Okay. So we see that now. We're gonna decorate mildly. So down here, this is the kitchen, I can tell. In the kitchen, we'll put, let's see, put this table right there. Very pretty. And then 2 seats right here, one right here, and one right there. We'll put a chair right there, and there's a lamp right there. Put it right here, and then the lamp. I think I'll put it right there. Now right here, the top part, we'll put this. I don't know if you can see. I think we'll put the vanity. Where's the vanity here? So I'll put the vanity right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's on the corner right here. Nice lamp. I think I'll put in this one. A bookshelf. And then I guess the bathtub will go right here. This cupboard will go right here. So this is the house. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more videos, like assembling things, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe. And before we end this video, I'd just like to say thank you for 900 subscribers.